Impact Report, projected 30% market penetration in defense agriculture and surveillance industries by 2025. Date, February 10, 2025. Overview. The projected 30% market penetration in the defense agriculture and surveillance industries by 2025 highlights significant growth influenced by technological advancements, geopolitical tensions, and global demand. This report synthesizes insights from various sources to provide a comprehensive view of the anticipated developments across these sectors. 1. Defense sector. Growth dynamics. The defense industry is experiencing unprecedented growth, primarily driven by increasing geopolitical tensions. Global defense spending has exceeded $2.4 trillion as of 2023, with projections indicating continued expansion into 2025. The U.S. Department of Defense (DoD) has requested a fiscal budget of nearly $850 billion for 2025, emphasizing investments in unmanned systems and the burgeoning space economy. Technological advancements. Deloitte's analysis reveals that by 2025, technologies such as artificial intelligence (AI) and unmanned systems will be widely operationalized. The demand for advanced air mobility (AAM) and unmanned aerial systems (UAS) is expected to soar, particularly for military applications. The commercial drone market, valued at approximately $20.21 billion in 2023, is also projected to expand into various sectors including logistics and agriculture. Strategic spending trends. Defense spending is heavily influenced by strategic priorities such as missile technology and hypersonic research. The DoD has allocated significant resources toward unmanned systems, further bolstered by a robust commercial sector exploring applications in construction, agriculture, and logistics. 2. Agriculture sector. Market growth forecast. The agriculture market is poised for substantial growth, expanding from $14.36 trillion in 2024 to $15.5 trillion in 2025, reflecting a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 7.9%. This growth is largely driven by the increasing global population, projected to reach 10 billion by 2050, necessitating enhanced food production. Technological integration. Key trends include the adoption of precision agriculture technologies and digital platforms that enhance operational efficiency and sustainability. The utilization of drones for crop monitoring, soil analysis, and pest control represents a significant innovation in agricultural practices, contributing to improved yields and reduced costs. Consumer demand trends. The agriculture sector is also witnessing a shift in consumer preferences toward healthier and more diverse diets, further driving market demand. Companies are increasingly investing in technologies that facilitate sustainable farming practices, such as the integration of AI in digital marketplaces. 3. Surveillance industry. Emerging trends. While the surveillance sector was less detailed in the analyzed sources, the integration of AI and unmanned systems in both defense and agriculture suggests parallel developments in surveillance technologies. The growth of the drone market indicates potential for increased investment in security applications, including crop monitoring and urban surveillance. Technological advancements. Investments in drone technology for surveillance purposes are expected to increase as companies seek to leverage these advancements for improved security and operational efficiency. The convergence of AI capabilities across industries will likely enhance data collection and analysis in surveillance applications. 4. Common themes across sectors. Technological advancements. AI and drone technologies are pivotal across the defense, agriculture, and surveillance industries. Companies are increasingly leveraging these technologies to enhance operational efficiency, improve data collection, and implement predictive maintenance strategies. Geopolitical and global demand drivers. Both the defense and agriculture sectors are responding to external pressures such as geopolitical tensions and population growth, respectively. The need for enhanced security and food sustainability is driving significant investments across these industries. Market growth rates. All sectors are projected to experience significant growth, with agriculture leading in market size and potential for innovation through technological integration. 5. Differences between sources. Deloitte's focus is primarily on the defense industry's technological advancements and spending patterns, while the business research company provides a detailed analysis of agriculture's market dynamics and growth forecasts. The emphasis on consumer trends in agriculture is less pronounced in defense-focused analyses. 6. Timeline of events. 2023, global defense spending surpasses $2.4 trillion. Agriculture market grows to $14.36 trillion. 2024, increased air travel and recovery from pandemic-related downturns boost demand for aerospace and defense products. 2025, anticipated culmination of trends with significant market penetration in defense, agriculture and surveillance driven by AI and unmanned systems, alongside a projected agriculture market size of $15.5 trillion. Conclusion. The convergence of technology and market needs across the defense, agriculture, and surveillance sectors is setting the stage for substantial growth by 2025. Stakeholders across these industries are investing heavily in innovation and capability development to meet escalating demands. The expected 30% market penetration signifies a pivotal shift in how these sectors operate and evolve, highlighting the critical role of technological integration in shaping their futures. This report is an amalgamation of insights from Deloitte and the business research company synthesized to provide a comprehensive understanding of the anticipated developments across the defense, agriculture and surveillance industries by 2025. The projected 30% market penetration in the defense, agriculture and surveillance industries by 2025 reveals several counterintuitive insights that challenge conventional wisdom about these sectors, their market dynamics and the technologies involved. 1. Geopolitical tensions versus technological integration. While one might assume that increased geopolitical tensions would lead to a purely militaristic response with heightened defense spending, the data suggests a simultaneous surge in technological advancements across various sectors. For instance, the U.S. Department of Defense (DoD) is not only investing heavily in unmanned systems for warfare but also in technologies that enhance civilian applications like logistics and agriculture. This dual focus could indicate a blurring of lines between military and civilian uses of technology that many may not have anticipated. 2. Agriculture's technological leap. The agriculture sector, often perceived as traditional and slow to adopt technology, is projected to grow significantly through advancements like precision agriculture and autonomous drones. The market growth is not merely a response to increasing food demand due to population growth, it also reflects a fundamental shift in how agriculture operates. The integration of AI and drones in farming allows for a level of efficiency and data-driven decision-making that contradicts the stereotype of agriculture as an industry resistant to change. 3. Surveillance as a byproduct of innovation. The surveillance sector's growth is implied rather than explicitly stated in the initial analysis. It's counterintuitive to think of surveillance technologies as secondary to military and agricultural advancements. However, the rapid adoption of drones in both defense and agriculture indicates that surveillance capabilities are becoming integrated into everyday technologies rather than being seen as separate specialized tools. Drones that monitor crop health can also serve as surveillance devices for security purposes, illustrating a convergence that complicates traditional views of these industries. 4. Consumer health trends impacting agriculture. The assertion that shifting consumer preferences for healthier diets are driving agricultural growth challenges the notion that market demand is solely determined by population growth. The fact that consumer behavior is significantly influencing agricultural practices indicates a more dynamic interaction between end users and producers than is commonly recognized. This shift can lead to innovations in crop diversity and cultivation techniques that cater to changing dietary preferences which may not have been anticipated by traditional market analysts. 5. Advanced air mobility AAM as a market driver. The rise of AAM, particularly electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft, disrupts conventional understandings of urban transportation and logistics. The expectation that AAM will penetrate the market significantly by 2025 suggests a readiness from both consumers and regulatory bodies to embrace new forms of transportation. This counters the prevailing skepticism regarding the feasibility and acceptance of new air transport methods, especially in urban environments where space and regulatory hurdles are presumed to be prohibitive. 6. Talent shortages leading to technological innovation. The defense industry faces a talent shortage that is leading to increased reliance on digital technologies, particularly AI. Traditionally, one might expect that talent shortages would stifle growth and innovation. However, the opposite is occurring. Companies are leveraging AI and other technologies to compensate for workforce gaps, thereby accelerating technological adoption and operational efficiencies. This is a paradigm shift that suggests that challenges can catalyze innovation rather than inhibit it. 7. Supply chain resilience versus efficiency. There's an emerging narrative that prioritizes supply chain resilience over efficiency, which is a counterpoint to previous business strategies that emphasized lean supply chains. The complexity of aerospace and defense supply chains with their multiple tiers suggests that businesses are learning that simply minimizing costs can expose them to significant risks. This realization has led to a more nuanced approach where companies are investing in visibility and integrity within their supply chains rather than solely focusing on cost-cutting, which may seem counterintuitive in a competitive market environment. 8. Commercial applications of military technologies. The rapid expansion of drone technology from military applications to commercial uses in agriculture and logistics reveals a counterintuitive trend where military innovations are driving growth in civilian sectors. This challenges the conventional wisdom that military technologies are solely for defense purposes and suggests that the spillover effects of military spending can significantly benefit civilian industries. 9. Global food security as a driving force. The projected growth in the agriculture sector is closely tied to global food security concerns, indicating that markets are increasingly responsive to broader humanitarian issues rather than purely economic drivers. This perspective shifts the focus from traditional profit-centric views of agriculture to a more integrated understanding of how global challenges can create market opportunities in innovative ways. In conclusion, the anticipated 30% market penetration across these industries by 2025 is not a straightforward trend driven by clear economic principles. Instead, it is characterized by counterintuitive dynamics where technological advancements, consumer behavior, and geopolitical factors converge in unexpected ways, leading to a redefinition of industry norms and opportunities. Understanding these complexities can provide a more nuanced view of future market developments and the interplay between these sectors. The report on projected market penetration in the defense, agriculture, and surveillance industries by 2025 reveals several crucial insights that may be overlooked by many readers. Here are some of the key points and their significance. 1. Interconnectedness of sectors. The report outlines how advancements in technology, especially AI and unmanned systems drones, are influencing all three sectors: defense, agriculture, and surveillance. This interconnectedness is significant as it indicates a convergence of technologies that could lead to innovative applications across industries. For instance, the use of drones for surveillance in agriculture could enhance crop monitoring and pest control, while military applications of drones can inform agricultural practices such as land surveying. 2. Geopolitical impacts on defense spending. The report highlights that defense spending will surpass $2.4 trillion due to rising geopolitical tensions. The significance of this point lies in its reflection of global power dynamics and the prioritization of military readiness. Increased defense spending can lead to technological advancements that spill over into civilian sectors, particularly in surveillance and agriculture, where national security interests often align with resource management. 3. Market growth in agriculture. The agriculture sector is projected to grow significantly, from $14.36 trillion in 2024 to $15.5 trillion in 2025. This growth is not merely a reflection of increasing demand but is driven by technological advancements such as precision agriculture and the adoption of drones. Readers may overlook the implications of this growth on global food security and the need for sustainable practices, as the population is expected to reach 10 billion by 2050. The integration of technology in agriculture is crucial for increasing productivity while minimizing environmental impact. 4. Surveillance applications in agriculture and defense. While the surveillance industry is not extensively covered, the report implies that advancements in drone technology for defense will parallel developments in agricultural surveillance. This is significant as it suggests that investments in surveillance technology can lead to enhanced capabilities for monitoring agricultural lands, thus improving crop yields and managing resources more efficiently. As concerns about food security grow, the ability to monitor agricultural health in real time becomes increasingly critical. 5. Supply chain resilience. The report notes ongoing supply chain challenges across sectors exacerbated by geopolitical tensions and environmental factors. The significance of this point is often overlooked, but it underscores the fragility of global supply chains and the need for resilience strategies. Companies that can adapt to these challenges by incorporating digital technologies for supply chain visibility will likely gain a competitive edge. This resilience is particularly crucial in the aerospace and defense sectors, where reliability is paramount. 6. Talent acquisition challenges. The report mentions the aerospace and defense industries struggle with talent acquisition and retention, which is projected to worsen. This issue's significance cannot be overstated, as the industry faces a skills gap that could hinder technological advancements and operational efficiency. The emphasis on leveraging digital technologies for talent attraction indicates a shift in how companies will approach workforce challenges. Readers might overlook the long-term impact of workforce development on industry innovation and competitiveness. 7. Emerging trends in advanced air mobility (AAM). The projected growth of the advanced air mobility sector, particularly electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft, presents a significant opportunity for urban transport solutions. The implications of AAM are profound, as they could reshape urban transportation, reduce traffic congestion, and lower emissions. The report's focus on AAM underlines the importance of regulatory frameworks and public acceptance, which are often not discussed in detail but are critical for the sector's success. 8. Consumer demand for healthier diets in agriculture. The report highlights the rising consumer demand for healthier and more diverse diets as a driver for agricultural growth. This trend is significant because it shapes the types of crops grown and the methods used in agriculture. Companies that can adapt to these shifting consumer preferences will likely thrive, yet this aspect may not receive the attention it deserves. It emphasizes the importance of sustainability and nutrition in agricultural practices. 9. Technological integration across sectors. The pervasive integration of AI and digital technologies across all three sectors, defense, agriculture, and surveillance, suggests a future where data-driven decision-making becomes the norm. This integration is significant as it points to a transformation in how industries operate, potentially leading to more efficient and effective processes. Readers might overlook the necessity for industries to adopt these technologies not just for competitive advantage but also for survival in an increasingly data-centric world. Conclusion. The projected 30% market penetration in the defense, agriculture, and surveillance industries by 2025 encapsulates a landscape shaped by technological advancements and global dynamics. Understanding the interconnectedness of these sectors, the implications of geopolitical tensions, and the importance of emerging technologies and consumer trends is crucial for stakeholders across industries. Overlooking these aspects could lead to missed opportunities for innovation, investment, and strategic planning as we approach this pivotal year. 1. Technological advancements and integration. The convergence of advanced technologies, particularly artificial intelligence (AI) and unmanned systems (UAS), is transforming the defense, agriculture, and surveillance sectors. In the defense industry, AI is enhancing capabilities in areas like predictive maintenance and operational efficiency, while UAS are becoming pivotal for military applications and commercial markets. In agriculture, precision farming technologies and drones are revolutionizing crop monitoring, soil analysis, and pest control, significantly increasing yields and sustainability. These advancements are not only driving market growth but also shaping operational strategies across these industries as stakeholders leverage technology to enhance performance and respond to global demands. 2. Geopolitical and global demand drivers. The influence of geopolitical tensions and global population growth is critical to the projected 30% market penetration by 2025. In defense, increased spending is a direct response to rising geopolitical threats, leading to a projected budget of nearly $850 billion for the U.S. Department of Defense, which emphasizes unmanned systems and space capabilities. Concurrently, the agricultural sector is poised for growth due to the anticipated rise in the global population to 10 billion by 2050, necessitating greater food production. The interplay of security needs and food sustainability is driving investments, making these sectors increasingly interlinked in their responses to external pressures. 3. Market growth rates and economic implications. The agricultural sector is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 7.9%, reaching $15.5 trillion by 2025, while the defense sector's expenditures continue to rise amidst increasing global tensions. This significant growth indicates a robust demand for innovation within these industries, with opportunities for businesses to invest in technologies that improve efficiency and output. The economic implications are broad, affecting job creation, technological advancement, and the competitive landscape as companies strive to capture market share in a rapidly evolving global environment. 4. Strategic spending and investment trends. The strategic focus on spending within the defense sector is shaping technological advancements and market dynamics. The U.S. Department of Defense is prioritizing investments in unmanned systems and rocket technology, while the commercial sector is witnessing a surge in demand for advanced air mobility solutions. Concurrently, agriculture is seeing investments in digital platforms and sustainable practices, further integrating technology into traditional sectors. This strategic spending reflects a shift in how industries operate, prioritize research and development, and respond to consumer and governmental demands, highlighting the importance of agility and foresight in navigating market opportunities. These 4 points encapsulate the essential themes driving the projected market penetration across the defense, agriculture, and surveillance industries, warranting in-depth analysis and discussion on their implications for stakeholders' investment strategies and future trends. 1. The Manhattan Project, 1942 to 1945. This was a significant World War II project led by the United States with the support of the United Kingdom and Canada. The project aimed to develop the first nuclear weapons. It marked a considerable investment in scientific research and technology, resulting in the creation of atomic bombs that were dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945. The project not only influenced military strategies and international relations but also spurred advancements in various scientific fields, particularly in nuclear physics and engineering, shaping the future of defense technologies. 2. The Green Revolution, 1940s to 1960s. This period marked a significant increase in agricultural production worldwide, particularly in developing countries. It involved the introduction of high-yielding varieties of seeds, the use of chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and advancements in irrigation techniques. The Green Revolution aimed to combat food shortages due to population growth and was instrumental in preventing famine in countries like India and Mexico. It showcased how technological advancements could radically transform agricultural practices, increase food security, and alter economic dynamics within nations. 3. The Cold War arms race 1947 to 1991. This period was characterized by the intense rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union, leading to a significant escalation in defense spending and military technology development. The arms race saw the proliferation of nuclear weapons, advanced missile systems, and other military technologies. It was driven by geopolitical tensions and the desire for military superiority. The technological advancements achieved during this period had lasting impacts on global security dynamics and defense strategies, influencing how nations approached military preparedness and international relations. The projected 30% market penetration in the defense, agriculture, and surveillance industries by 2025 signifies a transformative phase driven by technological advancements, geopolitical dynamics, and evolving global needs. Here's an outlook on each sector and the common themes that will shape their future. Defense sector outlook. 1. Increased spending and investment. Geopolitical tensions are escalating defense budgets globally, with forecasted expenditures exceeding $2.4 trillion in 2023 and a U.S. Department of Defense (DoD) budget request of nearly $850 billion for 2025. This financial commitment will prioritize unmanned systems, AI integration, and advanced air mobility (AAM). 2. Technological advancements. The operationalization of AI and unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) will redefine military strategies. By 2025, military applications of drones are expected to proliferate, creating a robust commercial drone industry anticipated to reach $20.21 billion. 3. Operational efficiency. AI-driven predictive maintenance and enhanced supply chain visibility will enable defense sectors to streamline operations, ensuring mission readiness and effective resource allocation. Agriculture sector outlook. 1. Market growth. The agriculture market is projected to grow from $14.36 trillion in 2024 to $15.5 trillion in 2025, representing a CAGR of 7.9%. This growth is largely driven by a burgeoning global population projected to reach 10 billion by 2050, necessitating increased food production. 2. Technological integration. Precision agriculture utilizing UAVs for crop monitoring and soil analysis will become standard practice. Companies will leverage AI and digital platforms to enhance operational efficiency and sustainability, ensuring food security amid changing climate conditions. 3. Consumer trends. The shift toward healthier diets will fuel demand for diverse agricultural products, leading to increased investment in organic farming and genetically engineered crops to meet these preferences. Surveillance industry outlook. 1. Convergence of technologies. The convergence of AI and drone technologies in defense and agriculture will extend to surveillance applications. Demand for enhanced security measures and agricultural monitoring will drive investments in advanced surveillance systems. 2. Market expansion. As UAV technology becomes more accessible, the surveillance sector will likely see increased commercial applications, including infrastructure monitoring and environmental assessments, further fortifying its market presence. Common themes across sectors. 1. Technological advancements. Across the board, AI and UAV technologies will serve as catalysts for growth. Their applications will enhance operational efficiency, data collection, and predictive capabilities, enabling all three sectors to respond proactively to market demands. 2. Geopolitical and global demand drivers. The need for security in defense, coupled with food sustainability in agriculture, is driving investments. Geopolitical tensions will continue to influence defense spending, while population growth and health trends will shape agricultural practices. 3. Innovation and collaboration. Companies will increasingly collaborate with tech firms to innovate and integrate cutting-edge technologies. The emphasis on R&D will lead to breakthroughs that enhance the capabilities of drones, AI, and digital platforms across these sectors. Conclusion. The anticipated 30% market penetration by 2025 in the defense, agriculture, and surveillance industries underscores a significant shift towards technological integration and responsiveness to global challenges. As these sectors evolve, stakeholders will need to prioritize innovation, collaboration, and strategic investments to capitalize on emerging opportunities and navigate potential pitfalls. The landscape will be characterized by a race to operationalize advanced technologies, ensuring readiness to meet the challenges of the future.